Hello beautiful people, welcome to Liberated Bodies, and today we are going to go through my lock wash routine. Okay, so I don't really do anything special because of the color in my hair, but yeah, my hair really needs to be washed, so we're going to wash it today. So the first thing I do when I start my lock routine is is to use apple cider vinegar on the roots of my hair. This is Bragg's Organic, and I'm almost out of it. So you see there's a whole bunch of mother in here, which I don't like to get in my hair because sometimes it's hard to take out, but it's okay. So I took, not that much. I probably filled up like 1/4 of the bottle with Bragg's apple cider vinegar. And then this is just a bottle of Castile soap that I used up. I filled it up with apple cider vinegar. There's still some soap left in here, so you're gonna see it's like a little bit of a murky color because it's sudsy. And then I just added some water to this line right here. Yeah, so there's gonna be a little bit of soap in it. I don't think it's that big of a deal. I'm gonna be washing my hair, so it's not that big of a deal. Apple cider vinegar works really well for your hair. I used to use it when I had a perm, and I used to get like a lot of dandruff, and it used to help me get rid of my dandruff when I use my apple cider vinegar. So I would have to do it like every 2 weeks. And now I just use it to get up all the dirt and debris off of my scalp. And so yeah, that's what we're going to do. Alright, I think we're all good. So all I did was apply it to my scalp. I didn't apply it anywhere else in my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it in. Step 1 is complete. Time for step 2. Step 2. Coconut oil, discounted from GNC. I got this coconut oil for $3.24. That is so cheap, guys. So cheap for coconut oil. It's organic extra virgin, and it's great. All right, so let's go. Gonna put some coconut oil on my ends, like a pre-poo. I used to do this when I had natural hair. I'm not sure the protocol with locks, but I feel like it'll be okay. I'm only doing this though because I have color in my hair. So my hair's not wet, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of moisturize the ends of my hair. I'm not gonna put too much coconut oil. I do use coconut oil to moisturize my hair, but I haven't moisturized my hair in a hot second. Yeah, I am not like the person to go to as a model for lock hair. I try a bit. I do try to moisturize whenever I remember, but I really don't remember that often. And that's kind of weird because like locks are on my head, and you would think I would remember to moisturize my locks because I see them every day, but I really don't. So I'm probably going to set a reminder for me to moisturize my locks because my hair looks way better when my hair is moisturized. But I have been playing, okay? Alright, so that's step 2 done. I'm going to leave this on my hair for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to go to the washing room, which is my kitchen. I like to use the kitchen sink, and I think it would be easier to wash my hair there. Alright, all. Like this video if you wash your hair in the kitchen sink. Okay. Okay guys, so I am currently in my kitchen. I'm about to wash my hair. I just want to show you what products that I'm using to wash my hair. I'm only using one shampoo. I have a Dr. Bronner's. This isn't Dr. Bronner's. This is Dr. Naturals. Okay, I think I put this in my previous lock video, but I'm using this Dr. Naturals Pure Castile soap, almond flavor. I also use this to wash my body, so it's like body hair. it's good. It has really good ingredients in it. It has water, coconut oil, olive and hemp seed oil, vitamin E, almond oil. There's a lot of good stuff in here. So yeah, what I do with this is I take this soap and then I do a big sink full of water, and then I mix the soap and the water together, and then I just wash my hair in the sink. Hold on, I am not done rinsing my hair, but my gosh, my neck hurts. It hurts. Oh, my back, my upper back, my neck. The struggle. The struggle. The struggle is real. Every struggle is, wow. Oh goodness. Woo! Hair, why? Why? Ow. Alright, I gotta take a break. My neck hurts. Goodness. The people who liked the video, who said that they wash their hair in the sink, do y'all have to take breaks? Cause this hurts. I haven't done this in so long. So long. My hair is getting long. I've done this in a really long time. I need to take a break. I'll be back. Okay, so after I finish washing my hair, which I am finished, my hair feels nice and clean. I feel like I rinsed everything out properly. I'm gonna go ahead and condition my hair. And to condition my hair, I use oil. And today I'm using African healing oil from Tilia Wajid. Now, this isn't the best oil to use. You can use it if you want. You don't have to. I got this from Walmart because I got 2 for like $6 or something like that. So yeah, I wouldn't like recommend this if you're really all about that hair health, but I do use this to condition my hair. I'm almost out of it because I also use it on my body to moisturize. So what I'm going to do is take this oil and put it on my scalp. Can't really feel it, but it's in there. It's in there. I just put oil in my scalp, and then I'll take like, I'm probably gonna run out of this oil, so I'm probably gonna take like some olive oil or coconut oil and put it on the ends of my hair. And like you can, I'm not going to, I'm probably just gonna leave this on my hair for a little bit and then rinse it out later. But if you would like to, this stuff smells so good. But if you would like to, you can definitely put like a oil cap on it, or even heat up this oil a little bit, or any oil you have, and put it on your scalp, and then wear like a heating cap and do like an oil treatment on your hair. I'm not doing that today because I don't feel like it, to be totally honest. Like, you guys know that doing your hair can be an all-day thing. I'm not feeling it today. I don't want it to be an all-day thing today. Not today. I honestly never want it to be an all-day thing, but it just happens. Okay, so because the soap that I used had so much oil in it, I'm not too concerned about like getting so much oil on my hair. But yeah, this is how I do my hair. Tell me what you use to condition your hair, or if you even like condition your hair at all. If you have locks, if you have girl, when I had natural hair, if you are a girl and you're watching this, man, I had all the products, okay? All the products that you could possibly use to put on your hair to make your curls pop. That is what I had. Right now this is my hair routine. It's so freaking simple, it's ridiculous. Because to moisturize my hair, all I use is like rose water and whatever oil. Right now I'm using jojoba oil until, oh my gosh, this feels so good. Right now I'm using jojoba oil until I run out. And then I'll probably like I really like vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is really good. Vitamin E oil and jojoba. Not the biggest fan of olive oil. You can use it, but it's not my favorite thing ever. Okay, so I have oil in my hair. I'm gonna leave it in my hair, and if I felt like sitting up under the dryer, I would. But what is this? Okay. Sorry, I was reading the directions. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it on my hair probably for like 5 to 10 minutes because it doesn't need to be on that long. And I'm not doing a heat oil treatment. If you guys wanted to do a heat treatment, you can totally definitely sit under the dryer. I hate sitting under the dryer and I don't have time for that today. I do, but I don't feel like it. Sit under the dryer for like 20 minutes. You can take a little plastic baggie that you put over your head, or you can even use like the shopping bags that, you know, people use when they go out grocery shopping. And then sit under the dryer for 20 minutes. It'll be nice and warm. Go ahead and rinse your hair out. I will be back when I'm ready to rinse my hair. Alright, so I'm going to let my hair dry off a little bit. Probably going to put it in a t-shirt so that it dries a little bit more, and then I'll go ahead and start retwisting my hair, and I will be in a different location for that. So, let's go. So, I'm going to retwist my hair, and I always start at the front. I'll show you how I do it, but I'm not really going to go into much detail. So what I like to use is castor oil to retwist my hair. Some people use gel. I do use gel every now and again. Not super often, but I will like use it on my edges or something. But I like castor oil because it's super thick and sticky like gel. And so if you just make sure your hair is wet enough, probably shouldn't have washed my hair with these little, you know, gold clampy things in them. That's alright. But yeah, if you make sure your hair is wet enough and you just twist it up well enough, it should be fine if you just let it dry all the way. So I just literally take it, and I guess this is called palm rolling. I'm gonna figure out these gold things later. Hopefully they don't get all like entangled and crazy in my hair, but I probably shouldn't have washed my hair with them. Ow. So this is where it starts hurting. You gotta pull your hair apart at the root. Then I take some castor oil on my fingers. I put it on the part of my locks that need to be retwisted. And I twist it up just like this. I twist, 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 twist. It's kind of hard to do it without a mirror. But I twist. I don't really separate my parts too crazily. Like when I decide to get my hair done by a lock stylist, I just have her do that. But when I do it, I don't pay too much attention to that. And then I just take the roots, twist them up, just like this. Okay guys, so I finally finished my hair. It's all retwisted and twisted up. It's not like the neatest retwist ever, but this is how I like to retwist my hair after I do it. It took me probably about like 2 hours to finish twisting everything, and I used this really cheap rubber bands, so they kept popping off and I had to keep putting my hair back in them. And I also used spray bottle with water on some of my roots when they started drying off. So yeah, that's my hair routine. So normally I let my hair air dry, and I don't use a dryer when I dry it, so I just go ahead and keep it out until I feel like most of my hair is dry, or until I go to sleep, which will be for some hours tonight. So yeah, this is my hair routine. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Please mention in the comments below what products you like to use for your locks or your natural hair. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more. Thank you for watching. Be liberated and stay liberated, everybody. Bye.